Welcome to Southeast Ohio Solar Haven again. Well, I got my little, I don't know what you want to call it, but my hillbilly porch to my building done. Done that with some pallets I kept finding at a local store here that sells equipment and stuff, and made a little railing here on the side, and I don't know if it serves any purpose, but it looks cool to me. But yeah, I gotta get that awning I got over here and get over top of this building here, get it a little better protected. But yeah, so been gathering some materials. We're gonna go ahead and we've decided to put the solar rack right here where we were talking about the last time, right down in here, and we'll clear out these weeds and stuff. That way I can get it done. Put the second one anyway for this exposure that way. That way I can get extra power. I do got all the materials, and I got the unit strut. That's all I'll use is this stuff right here, because that's what you see there, the main rack's built out of that, and on top of these crazy concrete pylons I built here, because you can look, you can just see how level this ground is not. But yeah, we're going to do that. And for those that's been asking about the garden, well, it's been flourishing. As you can tell, this year, it's doing a heck of a lot better this year, as you can tell. Got some squash back here, and some tomatoes, and some peppers, and the okra here. It's growing. Got to get the grass out of there, get it weeded out of there. But yeah, the tomatoes. Got some leeks right here. Those are bush beans. If I remember right, this is the squash. This might be okra also, I can't remember, or cucumber. I think those are cucumbers. Then I got, yeah, watermelon right here, which it's taken off pretty quick. We didn't get planted until later in the season, so being about 3.5 weeks in, I'm not complaining about the garden. Usually around August, September, we'll be, well, it'll start bearing fruit pretty quick, but come August, September, maybe earlier, we'll be able to pick some veggies and some tomatoes and all that stuff out of there and use them. That's what we use. It's not a big garden, but it's big enough to be able to pick and use when we need to. Use that fill dirt down there to fill in a low spot. There's a couple other low spots over there. Yeah, I see it focused on my finger, but there's a couple low spots over that way that needed filled in. I got filled in also. I could still use more down here, but that's the way it is today. Being a little lazy. It's been nice out, so I've been able to get some things done. But yeah, I just wanted to update on that. I remember talking about that one time, getting some more of this stuff in to finish this hillbilly pallet deck, porch, whatever you want to call it. So all right, well, thank you for watching, and click like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Like I say, click down there, it only hurt once. Click like and subscribe. The more you like, the more the algorithm gets better. So, and the more you subscribe, help me get to 1,000 people. I need that 1,000. So maybe at 1,000 we'll have a giveaway. So have a good one. Thank you.